Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new here. My name is Brianna. I share all things affordable fashion like Walmart, Amazon, and Target. Lately it's been a lot more Walmart, and y'all, thank you so much for your support. 2 weeks ago I literally had 364 subscribers and we reached a milestone today of 1K subscribers. Like, what? My mind is blown. But I am again trying to be more consistent. Only 2 weeks and we have another haul. Last time it was like 5 months before I put one. But if you don't follow me on other platforms like TikTok and Instagram, my name is Brianna_AlexisB on Instagram and BriannaAlexisB on TikTok. I'll link those down below. Make sure to follow me there because I do share a more affordable fashion there as well. But again, as you read the title, we are sharing more Walmart fall fashion. I'm not gonna make you guys wait, so we'll go ahead and jump into it. But again, thank you for all your support. But if you love affordable fashion, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and we'll go ahead and jump into it, you guys. As always, if you have questions, message me on other social platforms or leave a comment below. The first outfit, we have this little button down Shacket flannel, whatever you wanna call it. I know Shacket is like the new word lately. It is like a wool type material. I will say the inside, it's a little bit scratchy. I won't lie to you. It's not like bad, like I could bear it, but I just want to let you know because it is a little bit scratchy inside. But I love this color. It does come in blue as well. It has the little buttons on the sleeve. I did get a size large and I feel like that is perfect. That is my normal size. For reference, I am 170 pounds. I am 5'4". So just so that way you guys know that size large is my normal size. But it is just really cute. I feel like this is a neutral color for the fall time. It does have a little pocket on each side and I love the little buttons. But I feel like you can wear this with leggings, you can wear this with jeans like I have here. So many options when it comes to flannels, and I feel like they're a staple for the fall time. And with this outfit, I just paired these free assembly jeans. I wear a size 12 to 13 in Walmart jeans. 13 if it's juniors, 12 if it's like women. So free assembly is a women's brand. Oh my gosh, if I can talk. It's a women's brand. So these are called the 90s straight jeans. And y'all, I love how these fit and just how they feel. They feel like a higher end brand. Now, I've tried on higher end brand jeans. I've never owned a pair. American Eagle is about the only highest end brand that I've ever owned. Walmart jeans, literally, that's my whole closet. If you've been following me for a while, you know that Walmart jeans are literally gold to me. But I love the way these fit. Again, 5'4", they are a little bit cropped at the bottom, but that's how you will get most straight jeans. But they're super cute. I feel like I still have room in these, and you don't have too much distressing, just a little bit of distressing there on the knee. But these are super comfy, and I feel like would be great with booties for the fall time. I figured I would quickly share the bodysuit that I had on with this. I did get this over the summer, so it is out of stock. I will still link it for you guys because who knows, Walmart could bring it back this fall. But it is just a V-neck bodysuit. It's a V in the back and the front. The sleeves are a little bit shorter here, so it's not technically like a short sleeve. And then the boots I have on, I shared those in the last haul, so if you want more details on those, you can watch the previous video, but they'll be linked down below. I did get a size 8 and they come in other colors. Next, we have this beautiful off-the-shoulder sweater. This is by the brand Dreamers at Walmart. So a lot of people, you may not know about this brand unless you shop online because they don't carry this brand in store. I mean, if your store is like mine, a lot of times I really don't have fashion in my store. That's why I shop solely online. Here and there, I may find a piece in my store. I have 3 stores within 30 minutes of me, but majority of the time I'm shopping online. The Dreamers brand is specifically online. I love their sweaters. I actually have 3 more coming in the mail for you guys because I love them that much. But this is very stretchy. The arms are stretchy. The off the shoulder portion is stretchy. And as you can see, I kind of have it folded under, but it is a little bit of a longer sweater. I did get my normal size large, so I don't feel like you need to size up unless you want more length, because everywhere else, it's perfect. I don't know if you guys can see, but it has kind of like a little black detailing to it. So the little knit, the darker color that you can see, that's like a black thread, but it's just super cute. I feel like I would be wearing this a lot. I did get a pair of brown leather pants because I initially thought this was brown in this sweater, but They also have black, so I think I'm gonna get the black leather pants from Walmart because I feel like this would be so cute with black leather pants like tucked under and off the shoulder. But it is a very cute sweater. You guys, I love skinny jeans, but I will say this may be my new favorite pair of flare jeans. They're by the brand No Boundaries. I did get a size 13. So like I said, time and true, No Boundaries, celebrity pink, stuff like that. The junior sizing, I wear a 13, but in women's like Scoop, Free Assembly, I wear a size 12. But I will say, this particular pair, it's not as high-waisted as I would like it, but it does still come up a little bit like a high rise, but it's not super high rise. I love the distressing here, and I love the frayed ends. That I feel like gives it just so much detail to it. But these jeans, y'all, if you don't get anything from this haul, let it be these jeans because they are literally perfect. I mean, you could dress these down, dress them up. I just paired it with this sweater and the booties, which the booties are from Amazon. Those are not Walmart, but they're still a really good booty if you're looking for a good booty to wear like with pants and dresses and skirts. Perfect booty for fall. But anyways, again, if you don't get anything, let it be these pants. They come in another wash as well, like a lighter wash. They do have a little bit of stretch to them as well, which I love. The waist even has some stretch. So again, you need these in your closet. Then we have this beautiful little romper, which I know you're probably like, oh my gosh, why are you sharing that in the fall time? But how I styled it here, you can wear it into the fall, but this could easily be something that you could wear now. If you follow me on Instagram or TikTok, you've already saw this. But anyways, I love that it's like a little skirt, so that way you have the shorts under it. Now I will say with this, I did size up to an extra large because I was a little nervous with it being a juniors brand, which is No Boundaries, it being a little tight, and I'm glad that I did size up because in the leg area up top, it's giving me more room, whereas I feel like if I got my regular size large, it would have been so tight on my legs, like, you know, just, I don't like my clothes tight. If you like your clothes to fit a little bit form-fitting, then go ahead and get your regular size. But it has like, I don't know what you want to call this, just like this little circle here, detailing. I feel like it's really cute. I just paired it with this bodysuit, which is from Walmart as well, so I'll share that with y'all. But this is just really cute. It is a very lightweight material, and it is super stretchy. So this is the bodysuit that I paired with that little romper. It is by the brand No Boundaries. And I will not lie, I thought this was going to be see-through with it being white, and I thought it was going to be a little bit thinner material, but it's not. Not really see-through at all. I love the length of the sleeves. I don't have to worry about it being too short. Sometimes I struggle with that with bodysuits, even though like I don't really have long arms with it like rising up, but I still had a lot of room on the arm here. I could even roll it up if I wanted to, but it is just a snap bodysuit, as you can see at the bottom here. And it is more of like a mock neck than a turtleneck because it doesn't go all the way up, which I don't know about y'all, but I get hot, so I actually prefer mock necks over turtlenecks. But this comes in other colors. I did get a size large and it fits perfect. We have this cozy little sweater here. I did size up to an extra large because sometimes with Walmart's tunics, that's what this particular top is called when it's a little bit longer in the back and shorter in the front. I sized up because sometimes they can be a little bit form-fitting, and I just don't like that because with tunics, I like to wear them with leggings like I have here. So I did do an extra large, and I feel like length, it's perfect. It is a very stretchy material. It comes in other colors. Now, sizing up to an extra large, the sleeves were a bit long, so as you can see here, I have it rolled up, but this is just so cute, and it's comfy. Like, I wish you could feel this material. It's super soft. It is like a rib material, but I love that it has the little slit here. I feel like so many tops that I wear in the fall time have slits in it because I wear leggings like 95% of the time. But this is just really cute, and I feel like an everyday top, this would be easy for layering under like shackets or jean jackets or anything like that. So this is another staple, I feel like, in my closet. On my last haul, then you saw these little faux leather leggings from Walmart. These are the same leggings I got from last year, but they brought them back again this year. And these leggings, I don't even need a new pair because they are just that good. And I wore these a lot. They have a lot of stretch in them, super high-waisted, which I love. But I don't know if y'all can see. It's like a, I guess you say spackle. So it's not just like a solid like leather legging. A lot of people say these resemble the Spanx. I've never had Spanx. This is about as close as I've gotten to Spanx. But I will say it's probably not as thick as Spanx, but it's still very cute. And an everyday legging if you wear leggings as much as I do. I did get a size large last year, and the large still fits this year. And then the last outfit I have to share with you guys is this quilted little vest. It's not really thick, which I love because again, I get so hot. But with this little quilted vest, it does have the collar here. I did get a size large, and honestly, I think I could have got a medium just because the way it fits, it's a little bit longer. But then again, if I want to wear leggings, I feel like this is perfect. It comes in a lot of other colors. So if you want like black or anything like that, like a solid neutral color, then they do offer that as well. But I don't know, I feel like I don't own a lot of color because last year I was really into neutrals. So I decided to go with this like fuchsia pink, which I love this. It does have the pockets here as well. And it does zip all the way up to the neck, but I don't think I've ever worn my vest all the way up to my neck. But if you love vests, grab this one. I think it's like $15. So nothing crazy, and you can wear this over a lot of stuff. Like I wear my vest over hoodies, but here I have it on with that same Walmart bodysuit. If you follow me on other socials, I told you guys I was going to find jeans that were in stock because most of my jeans from last year, Walmart has yet to restock. So we do have the Walmart mom jeans. Now I will say they're not the same as my favorite mom jeans. If you follow me, you know which ones I'm talking about. I have them in every wash possible, but this is still a really good fit. I did get a size, let's double check, 13 because they are the No Boundaries brand. So again, juniors, I wear a size 13. Me only being 5'4", I love the length of these, but you can roll them up. On the stock photo, they are rolled up. So just be mindful of that because I have them unrolled here. So they do look a little bit different on the stock photo, but they will be linked down below. Not a lot of distressing here. Like I don't like when distressing is like all the way up here, but this is just a little bit, so I don't mind that. But they fit really good. They have some stretch to them, so it's not like a super tight jean or anything like that. But they're really cute. But they still just don't compare to other mom jeans. But if you love mom jeans, this is still a really good pair. And you'll probably see these in other hauls because they do fit good. I just want to thank you guys for watching this video. If you love Walmart as much as I do, make sure you hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. I do plan on doing another haul with you guys. It might be a week or two, hopefully a week. I'm trying to get on a schedule where I do one video a week. We're making progress because 2 weeks, that's a lot better compared to 5 months like last time. But everything is linked down below. Every single item, even if it wasn't Walmart, because I know a lot of the shoes that I shared were not Walmart. Mainly because the Walmart boots literally have like ran out of stock so fast this year. But that's also why I share with you guys so quickly, even though it may still be blazing hot outside, is because Walmart fashion, as soon as they start throwing it out, it literally just flies off. I guess for me online or your store, it may be shelves. But again, thank you guys so much for all your support. I am so happy to see all the new subscribers here, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. But until next time.